tool. A big advantage of RBMs is that they excel when working with unlabeled data. Many important real-world datasets are unlabeled, like videos, photos, and audio files, so RBMs provide a lot of benefit in these types of unsupervised learning problems. Another advantage is that during the learning process, the RBM extracts features from the input data, decides which features are relevant, and how to best combine them to form patterns. RBMs are also generally more efficient at dimensionality reduction when compared to principal component analysis, which is considered a popular alternative. Finally, RBMs learn from the data. They actually encode their own structure. This is why they're grouped into a larger family of models known as autoencoders. However, restricted Boltzmann machines differ from autoencoders in that they use a stochastic approach rather than a deterministic approach. This concludes this video. Thanks for watching.